हाय स्टूडेंट, कैसे हैं? आप लोग पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। मुझे पता है कि कुछ स्टूडेंट को रीडिंग करने के लिए परेशानी हो रही है, ठीक है। रीडिंग करने में बहुत सारी समस्याएं आ रही है। उन्हें अच्छी कोचिंग नहीं मिली होगी, अच्छे ट्यूशन नहीं मिले होंगे, उनके घर वाले सही से उन्हें रीडिंग करना नहीं सिखाए होंगे, या इस तरह से छोटी मोटी बहुत सारी परेशानियां आपके साथ हुई होगी, ठीक है। ये आपकी गलती नहीं है, नहीं आपके जो आपसे संबंधित कोई व्यक्ति हैं उनसे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। बस दिक्कत परिस्थिति की होती है, ठीक है, कि आपको वैसा कोई फैसिलिटी, वैसा कोई सुविधा नहीं मिली होगी, जिस वजह से आप रीडिंग करना नहीं कर सके अभी तक, ठीक है। कोई बात नहीं, मैं वही सोचकर वीडियो बना रहा हूँ जिससे कि आप रीडिंग देना स्टार्ट कर देंगे, ठीक है। ये क्लास 6 का साइंस बुक है और चैप्टर 1 है, इसमें मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ। मेरा टॉपिक है फूड। चलिए, हम रीडिंग में अभी अभी मैं फास्ट में करता हूँ, ठीक है। स्पेलिंग के साथ कर चुका हूँ, ठीक है। चलिए करते हैं। फूड, वेयर डज इट कम फ्रॉम, क्वेश्चन मार्क। चलिए, हेडलाइंस मैंने पढ़ लिया। अब नीचे पढ़ते हैं, ठीक है। डब्लू देखे बड़ा लिखा है, लेकिन इसके साथ है, ठीक है। WHAT, व्हाट डिड यू eat at home today? Question mark. Find out what your friend ate today. Full stop. Did you eat the same kind of food yesterday and today? Question mark. We will eat different kinds of food at different times, comma, is not it? Question mark. Food variety. Activity 1. Ask your friends in the school about the items they would be eating during a day. Full stop. See if you can also get this information from friends staying in different states of India. Full stop. List all the items in your notebook is given in table 1.1, comma 4 as many friends as possible. Full stop. What do we eat? Question mark. Name of the student or friend. Food items eaten in a day. There seems to be so much variety in the food that we eat. Figure 1.1. What are these food items made of? Question mark. Think about rice cooked at home. Full stop. We take raw rice and boil it in water. Full stop. Just two materials or ingredients are needed to prepare a dish of boiled rice. On the other hand, comma, some food items are made with many ingredients. Full stop. To prepare vegetable curry, comma, we need different kinds of vegetables, comma, salt, comma, spices, comma, oil, and so on. Full stop. Activity 2. Choose some of the items you listed in table 1.1 and try to find out what ingredients are used to prepare these, by discussing with your friends and elders at home. Full stop. List them in table 1.2. Some examples are given here. Full stop. Add some more items to this list. चलिए पढ़ते हैं. Table 1.2. Food items and their ingredients. Food items. Ingredients. रोटी, चपाती, आटा, वाटर, दाल, दाल, pulses, water, salt, oil, ghee, spices. चलिए पढ़िए. What do we find? Question mark. Do we find some ingredients common for different food items? Question mark. Discuss in class. Full stop. So where do these ingredients come from? Question mark. Food materials and sources. It may be easy for us to guess the sources of some of the ingredients that we listed in table 1.2. Fruits and vegetables, comma. For instance, full stop. Where do they come from? Question mark. Plants, comma. Of course. Exclamatory marks. What are the sources of rice and or wheat? Question mark. You may have seen paddy or wheat fields with rows and rows of plants, comma, which give us these grains. Full stop. And then, comma, there are food items like milk, comma, eggs and meat, comma, which come from animals. Full stop. Activity 3. Let us take the food items listed earlier and try to find out where they come from. The ingredients and their sources. Full stop. Some examples are shown in table 1.3. Fill in the blanks in table 1.3 and add more examples to this list. Full stop. Source of food grains. Paddy field. B. Wheat grains transported. Plant sources. Animal sources. Ingredients used to prepare food items and their sources. Food item. Ingredients sources. Idli, rice, urad dal, salt, water, plant. Chicken curry, chicken, spices, oil or ghee, water, animal, plants of animals. Kheer, milk, rice, sugar, animal, plant. What do we conclude from activity 3 question mark. Plants are the sources of food ingredients like grains, comma, cereals, comma, vegetables and fruits, full stop. Animals provide us with milk, comma, meat products and eggs, full stop. Cows, comma, goats and buffaloes are some common animals which give us milk, full stop. Milk and milk products like butter, comma, cream, comma, cheese and curd are used all over the world, full stop. Can you name some other animals which give us milk? Question mark. Plant parts and animal products as food. Plants are one source of our food. Full stop. Which parts of a plant? Question mark. We eat many leafy vegetables. Full stop. We eat fruits of some plants. Full stop. Sometimes roots, comma, sometimes a stem, and even flowers. Flowers. Full stop. Have you ever eaten pumpkin? चलिए मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे पढ़ा था, ठीक है। अब यहाँ से पढ़ रहा हूँ। वी eat many leafy vegetables. Full stop. We eat fruits of some plants. Full stop. Sometimes roots, comma, sometimes stems and even flowers. Full stop. Have you ever eaten pumpkin? Pahali wants to know if any of our food comes from sources other than plants and animals. Full stop. Flowers, fruit, stem, leaf, shoot system, node, internode, bud, primary root, secondary root, root system. Different edible parts of plants. Flowers dipped in rice paste and fried. Question mark. Try it. Exclamatory mark. Some plants have two or more edible eatable parts. Full stop. Seeds of mustard plants give us oil and the leaves are used as a vegetable. Full stop. Can you think of the different parts of a banana plant that are used as food? Question mark. Think think of more examples where two or more parts of a single plant are used as food. Full stop. Plant parts as food. Food item with plant is the major source. Brinjal curry. Ingredients source. Brinjal chili is a spice. Any other. Oil from groundnut, comma, mustard, comma, soybean, comma, any other plant. Plant part which gives us the ingredient. Fruit seed. Do not try to taste unknown plants around you to see if they are edible! Exclamatory mark. Some plants could be poisonous. Full stop. From all the food items you have listed in table 1.3, comma, choose those items whose ingredients are obtained from plants. Full stop. Which part of a plant? Question mark. Identify these and list the food items and plant parts is shown in table 1.4. Activity 5. Take some dry seeds of moong or chana. Full stop. Put a small quantity of seeds in a container filled with water and leave this aside for a day. Full stop. Next day, question mark, sorry, comma, drain the water completely and leave the seeds in the vessel. Full stop. Wrap them with a piece of wet cloth and set aside. Full stop. The following day, comma, do you observe any changes in the needs? Question mark. Whole moong and its sprouts. A small white structure may have grown out of the seeds. Full stop. If so, comma, the seeds have sprouted. Full stop. If not, comma, wash the seeds in water, comma, drain the water and leave them aside for another day, comma. Chana, gram and its sprouts covered with a wet cloth. Full stop. The next day, comma, see if the seeds have sprouted. Full stop. After washing these sprouted seeds, you can eat them. Full stop. They can also be boiled. Full stop. Add some spices and get a tasty snack to eat. Full stop. Do you know where honey comes from, comma, or how it is produced? Question mark. Have you seen a beehive where so many bees keep buzzing about? Question mark. Bees collect nectar, sweet juices from flowers, comma, convert it into honey and store it in their hive. Full stop. Flowers and their nectar may be available only for a part of the year. Full stop. So, comma, which store this nectar for their use all through the year. Full stop. When we find such a beehive, comma, we collect the food stored by the bees is honey. Full stop. What do animals eat? Question mark. Do you have cattle or a pet that you take care of? Question mark. A dog, comma, cat, comma, buffalo or a goat? Question mark. You will then surely be aware of the food, comma, the animal eats, full stop. What about other animals? Question mark. Have you ever observed what a squirrel, comma, pigeon, comma, lizard or a small insect may be eating as their food? Question mark. Activity 6. Several animals are listed in table 1.5. For some of them, comma, the type of food they animals and their food. Name of the animals. Buffalo, cats, rats, lion, tiger, spider, house, lizard, cow. Food the animal eats: grass, oil cake, hay, grains. Small animals, birds, milk. Human beings, butterfly, crow, others. देखिए टेबल 1.6. Herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. Cow, lion, dog. पहली wants to know where you would place human beings, comma, while filling table 1.6. We know that there are many amongst us, comma, who do not get sufficient food, full stop. We need to find ways by which more food can be produced in the country, full stop. That will not be enough, semicolon. We will need to find ways to ensure that this food is made easily available to each one of us, full stop.